Presenting the Canon 1500D camera, which is suited for all camera users, even for beginners. It comes along with two lenses. Canon 1500D is designed with an ergonomic body, making it lightweight and easier to hold. The camera comes with an optical viewfinder and a 3-inch LCD screen to easily fine-tune compositions and framings. It also features optical image stabilization through the camera lens to help reduce camera shake even while doing handheld photography. The large 24.1 megapixel APS-C size CMOS sensor captures abundant light information to produce high-quality images with beautiful color gradations. The large sensor size also helps to achieve the shallow depth of field necessary for creating images with smooth background blur. The fast Digic 4 Plus image processor with 9 autofocus points takes beautifully vibrant photos and videos in nearly any condition. The high ISO speed ensures that even shots taken in low light are clear with minimal noise. Canon 1500D records Full HD videos with selectable frame rates to give you good precision and high-quality video work. The camera comes with built-in Wi-Fi, NFC and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to pair your camera directly to your smartphone to browse, save and upload your camera images to social media, or to carry out remote shooting, which is great for self-portraits and group photos. Inside the box, you will find the digital camera EOS 1500D body, zoom lens EF S18 55mm, zoom lens EF S55 250mm, strap, battery charger, battery pack. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.